Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of LJCE448. This is a super clean, what year?
88.
88 Chevrolet Corvette. Sorry guys, it is not even 8 a.m. Just walked into work here. Nice car though, took a hit to the right rear, which ultimately totaled it. This is a cloth interior C4 though. Kind of a rare duck. Not sure if that makes it worth anything, but it's cool. Nice looking cloth interior. This is a tune port car. We're going to be selling it complete, not as a swap, but as a motor with, I guess a swap, motor harness, ECU, belt driven accessories. Looks like somebody's already done some wiring repair here. Nice set of C4 alloy wheels on it though with tires. Staggered setup. This is a really rare wheel as well. It's kind of a good looking car. Nice condition hood and front bumper here. We're going to have all of this for sale. Step inside and fire this thing up though so you guys can hear that motor. Fire's right up there. Everything seems to be working well. No noise. This is extremely quiet. 350. Go ahead and put the hood down. Maybe not. Andy's going to get the hood for us. We'll step inside here and test out the radio and the transmission. Ooh, manual seats too. Cool. Cluster is working well. All right, let's check all these. Making 70 pounds of oil pressure at idle. That's not bad. Coolant temp low. Let's see what the fuel mileage is. Oh yeah, it's been recent. Oh, 19.7, not too shabby. All right, let's go ahead and test out the transmission here. Reverse. Drive. All right, let's see what that radio does.
And aboard.
Radio works well. Let's get that climate control going. Climate control works as well. Let's see about the windows. Passenger, up and down. Driver, up and down as well. I think that is going to wrap up the test video on this one. Let me get out of here. This is always awkward. Wow, I do not fit in this thing at all. There we go. All right. That is going to wrap it up for LJCE448, our 1988 Chevrolet Corvette. You guys can find all the parts off this car on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or by giving us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J. Thanks for watching.